Dogecoin is consolidating at a crucial level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We have officially broken 900 telegrams and heading over into 1,000. If you want to know my altcoin picks as well as trading updates for this coming bull run, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back from the weekend, and as you guys can see on Doge, we are testing a very key resistance level here with our exponential moving averages. I know it's been a little bit since I made the last video, but the reason is because of the fact that we've pretty much just been consolidating in this range. There really isn't much of an update other than the fact that we still have to look for that retest of 0.088. For those of you that are part of Telegram channel, you guys know that I've been mentioning the fact that we are looking for some smaller corrections across the board for some altcoins, of course, for some buying opportunities once we end up hitting those zones. The first zone for Doge, of course, remains to be at 0.088. As long as we hold above that zone, though, we are looking for that swing position towards the upside, but I would be very, very careful entering on consolidation zones. The reasons why, of course, is looking at the current price analysis, you'll notice the fact that we continue to retest our exponential moving averages as resistance. The reason prior to the break of 0.088, I mentioned to you guys that Doge is looking, of course, for that massive squeeze was because you can see from the EMA perspective, we were using them as support while retesting a major resistance over and over. The chances of that breakout was a lot more likely. Now you'll notice the fact that, of course, we have a test midterm resistance confirmation and a rejection. I mentioned to you guys that what I'm paying attention to, of course, is the larger time frame for Doge. If Doge does end up breaking above those exponential moving averages, then that's the key confirmation we are looking for. But right now, you'll notice that we've pretty much this whole weekend just been in this tight consolidation. What I'm expecting, of course, is later into Asia hours is a possible wick down to 0.088. If we do manage to hold above that zone, then that is good news for Doge for that stronger continuation. Of course, our main level of focus remains to be at 0.11, and the reason, of course, for those of you that are new to the channel, the reason why that level specifically is you can see from the previous price analysis when Doge did see a massive breakout of 0.11, we saw a larger short squeeze. That's exactly the level I'm going to play, and of course, even zooming out on this chart for those of you that are long-term buying doesn't really matter necessarily because of the fact that this still is a consolidation zone. Even zooming out further from the chart, I don't necessarily think that we have seen any sort of run in terms of altcoin markets just yet, but of course we have to keep in mind of the intraday trades that are expected, and a lot of you guys of course need to understand the levels at play as well. On the 4-hour time frame though, if we do end up breaking above the exponential moving averages, I need to see volume come into the market. This area of resistance of course is quite strong as of right now. You can see we've also failed to break that midterm resistance as well. We did have a very nice rally towards that continuation, but 0.11 was not in terms of tested, but that does not mean that we are now swing shorting Doge. The main level we have to pay attention to remains to be at 0.088. If we do end up breaking below that level, then retesting it as resistance, that's a confirmation for the swing short. Otherwise, right now, these price choppiness, exactly all we do is just wait for the 0.088 zone to be retested, close above that level, and then start looking for that continuation play. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hope you guys have one.